Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lip gloss at home. Prepare your workspace and gather beeswax, carrier oil, pigment, measuring tools, and small containers. I walk you through melting beeswax gently, mixing oils and color, and testing texture for the perfect glide. I also cover flavor options, safety checks, and storage tips so you can create consistent batches that feel great and last well. Measure ingredients carefully for consistent results and neat batches. Use about 1 part beeswax to 2 parts oil as a starting ratio and adjust for firmness. Choose cosmetic-grade pigments or small lipstick shavings for color and add a few drops of flavor oil if desired. Keep a thermometer handy, melt slowly over low heat, and always test a tiny amount on inner wrist before full application. Start by sanitizing tools and containers to prevent contamination. Melt beeswax in a double boiler, then stir in carrier oil until smooth and heat-controlled. Add pigment and flavor slowly, whisking to reach an even color and desired opacity. Pour carefully into prepared containers, cap or seal once cooled, and label with ingredients and date. Make small test batches to refine gloss thickness and shine before scaling up.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.